That is a very good. Very simple. I'm in the middle of night. Bonfire Night is finished. Come along next year. Wow. They went home. I was in. I think they're going to take the rockets out. Went home. We'll have to look for the ghost. Okay, you can see this one, people. That they're going back home. I'm going back home and continue my media reviews. Continue my own media. But yes, someday I'll challenge someone else that corresponds to Lizzie talk about Syria and Libya. I'm gonna have to beat her out. I'm gonna put her name on the page before it became the novel. That Moses Coleman, aka Moses 107. I mean 107, Moses 107. He looked like a jackass. I'm not saying jackass. He looked like a horse. He is look like a horse face. Remember that guy? Who meant that evil, crazy old man named. Oh, see that favorite? Colin, this is a favorite. It looks like the balloon. It's made of hot air balloon. Oh. It's beautiful. What? Great. Sorry. That is a fire. That was a rocket fireworks. Supposed to be finished. That is a beautiful firework. It looks like a paper hot air balloon.